Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Wi-Fi box. First, carefully unpack your new Wi-Fi box along with all its accessories. Next, choose a central location in your home for the best possible signal coverage. Finally, connect the power adapter to your Wi-Fi box and then plug it into a working electrical outlet. This ensures your device has the necessary power to begin the setup process. Now, let's connect the essential cables. Take the coaxial cable and firmly connect one end to your wall outlet and the other end to the corresponding port on your Wi-Fi box. If you plan to connect a computer directly, use an Ethernet cable from the Wi-Fi box to your device. Always ensure all cable connections are secure, but only finger-tight to prevent damage. With the cables connected, it's time to power on your device. Locate and press the power button on your Wi-Fi box. Now, be patient and wait for the indicator lights to become solid. This process can take a few minutes, typically 2 to 3. Solid, non-blinking lights indicate that your Wi-Fi box has successfully connected to your internet service provider. Finally, let's connect your devices. Look for a sticker on your Wi-Fi box to find the network name, also known as the SSID, and the password. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, select your new Wi-Fi network from the available options. Enter the password exactly as it appears. Once connected, open a web browser or stream a video to confirm your internet is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.